Hey guys, Tina here. Today I'm going to talk to you about CorrecT. CorrecT is a vitamin A night cream. So what is vitamin A night cream? If you've ever used Retin A in the past, vitamin A gives you the cell turnover. So when you look at your skin and you're wondering, why am I feeling dull and why is it just I don't have my glow? It's because you have that dead skin buildup. You have to use vitamin A to get this cell turnover. And then the fresh cells come up to the surface and the old cells fall off. So you get a little bit of a peeling action there. But what we did is we coupled it with CAMU, which is vitamin C. What does vitamin C do? Basically, when you think of vitamin C, it's an antioxidant. Vitamin C fights free radical damage, so even lights that are around us at nighttime, we want to protect our skin from. Computer screens, we want to protect our skin from. The television set, we want to protect our skin from. So you don't only get free radical damage during the day, you get free radical damage at night, which is why we did CAMU in a night cream. We also put niacinamide B3, vitamin B3 in there because it's the same thing. It's all about protecting the skin, putting the antioxidants in there, as well as getting the cell turnover. If we just gave you a cream for cell turnover, we feel like it just gets you a little bit too susceptible to more damage. So pushing the antioxidants in there protects the skin from just being devitalized and more susceptible to more damage. So we love this cream. It's made for all skin types. Try it, two pumps. Apply it while your skin is still moist and damp, and then do it at night, every single night. You don't have to alternate. And if you want more information, click on the link below or go onto the product page and you can learn more about it.